So here what we will showcase is how 5G private network could help the broadcaster to deploy on the field of an event different devices to simplify the setup and to speed the installation without cable, also with the idea to reduce the cost of a production. So we will present different kind of device, camera, microphone, loudspeaker, commentary position, intercom over smartphone, etc.
Over the years, we've been focusing on many different brands and products. You may be familiar with DTS Audio, HD Radio for digital broadcasting, TiVo services for television and music and video metadata, as well as other technologies that enhance the user experience. Our demos today are focused on the future of broadcasting. We have our HD radio technology, which is digital AM and FM, as well as our AutoStage technology, which brings in broadcast radio and internet services together for a richer experience.
And here we are showcasing this application-oriented TV, which is we are bringing all the media consumption trends from the streaming services, from other online services, to the technical standards for terrestrial digital television.
I'm here to talk about the Eurovox platform, which is the EBU's project to open up language tools and technologies using AI and make AI-based tools easy and accessible for our members and others to use.
So the AI Hub, it's a transversal platform to expose, showcase and evaluate AI application designed for media. So the idea is to connect the users and the evaluators, who are the media professional, with the AI designer.
What TV 3.0 is really bringing on the video side is a much higher resolution, 4K, 8K, for enabling the user to really kind of get the feeling of the video and getting a real life experience. Expanding the color gamut will move from to 1 billion colors thanks to HDR, and also the crispiness and the detail that the picture can provide.
So HDR provides to the user, let's say, a brighter image and an image with a larger, wider luminance range that, let's say, provides an image that is more natural. Let's say, more contrast, more details in the black, and more vivid. It's more pleasant.